In this video, I am going to show you how to use find and replace on the basis of the format of a word. For example, we can search for a word if it's bold, if it's italic, or if it's underlined. Or we can find a word and change its format also. So let's see. We go to find. Here we type the word the. Now you can see it shows the in whole of the document. Okay. Now look at one thing here. It shows THE here also. Now this is not the word the. It's rather similarly here. This word is they, not the. So we are not looking for such words. Now what we can do to remove this, you go to find, advanced find, and here you can click this find word, find whole words only, then find in main document. Now let's have a look at it. Now you can see it only included the word THE, the, not these words, rather they or similar type of words. So like this you can find the exact word. Now let's see, we make some of these words as bold, now we have three of the as bold. So we go to find. Okay, remember one thing, whenever you do a find or a replace, the cursor should be at the start of the document. So we go to find, advanced find, now we are looking for words that are bold. This word that is bold. Now we go to the format, font, and here we can say bold. You can click OK, find in main document. Now see, you have this one selected, it means this one was bold, this one is bold, and this one is bold. So like this you can find a word on the basis of its format. Now we will find a word and then replace it with the same word but with a different format. Let's see. You can go to replace. Now we are looking for the word the and we want to replace it with the but with a different format. Now remember one thing, once you click here, these options and these ones will apply on this word, find word. When the cursor is here, these ones will apply on this one. So first from here we need to remove these options, whole words and bold. So we say no formatting for this word because this one doesn't have any formatting. Then replace with the word the. Okay, one thing we can do, yeah, this one is correct, whole words. We are only looking for the whole words. That one is selected. Now we come here. Now we want to replace this one with a different format. So we go to format, font, we make it bold and we make it red. So we are going to replace the word the with the word the, but color will be red and it will be bold. Now we say, we can come here, we say find next. Now it okay, you can see it found this one, so we say replace. Now you can see it is red. Similarly, we can replace this one also with the format and then we can say replace all. So all the words the are now red and bold. So this way you can use find and replace on the basis of the format of the word to find or to replace.